The crust on this chicken is pure heaven. It is everything you want in fried chicken. I don't have much self-control left. I'm using it all right now, not to just dive headfirst into that bowl.
It's so crispy that when you bite it, only the skin where you bit comes off.
The thing about this recipe that I've now adapted to almost all my fried chicken is the batter. It is half cornstarch, half flour, and water. It really is a thin batter. It almost looks like the consistency of heavy cream.
No, it's a very thin one, and that's on purpose.
That batter is so crisp. There's something about the cornstarch that just makes a shatteringly crisp crust.
So that's the beauty of the double fry right there.
I mean, it really looks like fried chicken. It doesn't just look like wings.
So what you're really doing with double frying is you're purposefully letting it sog out right in the middle. So you fry it for a while, you let it come out, it sogs out a little bit, and then you drive off that water and re-crisp it.
And it's gotta be so crisp that it can withstand getting tossed with the sauce, which the sauce is spicy. It's got something called gochujang in it.
We have 3 tablespoons of gochujang,
Ooh,
which
I
is
love this stuff.
so important to this dish, right?
It's got tons of acidity, it's got sweetness, it's just like every sensation that you could ask for in a sauce.
I'm starting to drool a little bit over here. Starting.